Computer science is the study of the design, implementation, and management of information systems. It involves the use of computers and software to store, process, and transmit data. One of the fundamental principles of computer science is the concept of algorithm. An algorithm is a set of steps that can be followed to solve a problem or perform a task. Algorithms can be simple, such as a recipe for baking a cake, or complex, such as a search algorithm used by a search engine to find relevant web pages. Programming is the process of writing instructions, or code, that a computer can execute. These instructions are written in a programming language, such as Python or Java, and are used to create software applications or systems. Another important principle in computer science is the concept of data representation. Data can be represented in various forms, such as numbers, text, or images, and it is important for computer systems to be able to store and manipulate these different forms of data. Finally, computer science also involves the study of computer hardware and systems architecture. This includes understanding how computers and their components work, as well as designing and building efficient and effective computer systems. Overall, the principles of computer science and programming involve the use of algorithms and programming languages to solve problems and create systems for storing, processing, and manipulating data, as well as the study of computer hardware and systems architecture. Thanks for listening. See you in the next knowledge video.